What's up guys, Steven here with World of Whirly. Just here to basically give you an intro to the new project, fill you in on what's going on. First thing, got this camper. It's a Jayco J Series Popup, about a 7 foot. Got it for 300 bucks from my father-in-law. He works at a scrapyard. Totally hooked us up with a deal. We had no great idea of any of the systems, working conditions. Everything looked pretty solid. We noticed some water damage from the start, but wasn't anything we were afraid of after our last camper project, which was a 78 Toyota Chinook pop-up camper. Basic plans for this thing: getting it painted, kind of doing a basic update on color, hardware, redo the drawers, make sure everything works. Really just getting all the systems in order and getting it livable. First things first though, we got to take care of the important stuff. We got to get the water damage fixed and the leaks all sealed up. And we actually didn't have any anchor points on the truck to tie it down to, so getting it home was pretty sketchy. We ratchet strapped it from the camper's tie down points to parts of the frame on the truck, which worked, but I do not want to go any extended distance with that. I feel like skimping on securing this thing is not the way to go. I'll skimp elsewhere. Other things we want to take care of cosmetically eventually are going to be, well, the wallpaper I'm staring at right now as our backsplash. That's got to go. A lot of the paneling, faux wood wallpaper crap is peeling off, so we're going to replace that. The bones are really good, so we're actually planning on keeping pretty much everything as is. We're not going to gut it, we're not going to rebuild it. It's pretty solid, and it doesn't really seem worth tearing out just to redo. We kind of did that with the last camper, and I've done that a couple times with our truck bed setup we're using right now, so that's not really something I want to do. We also may paint the exterior just to kind of try to color match my truck a little better, which I think would be pretty cool, but obviously not a necessity. Other than that, it's just going to be little things here and there. So, let's see it. Well, that's how everything's looking right now. We're gonna get to work and start our updates, restorations, repairs, so like and subscribe. Keep up to date with what we've got going on and check out what we're up to. Thanks again. See you guys later.